Hey there, DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting review where we dive into the latest and greatest tools to make your projects easier and more enjoyable. Are you tired of dealing with heavy, cumbersome gas-powered chainsaws? The kind that leaves you exhausted and frustrated after just a few minutes of use? Well, let me introduce you to the game changer you've been waiting for, the Anavan 8-inch brushless electric chainsaw. This tool is set to revolutionize the way you approach your cutting tasks. This powerhouse is designed for effortless wood cutting, pruning, and even light forestry work. Imagine slicing through wood like a hot knife through butter, with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Imagine this: you've got a high-powered 4500W brushless motor in your hands, ready to tackle any project you throw at it. This motor not only provides incredible power but also ensures a longer lifespan for your chainsaw. And guess what? It's lightweight and portable, so you won't break a sweat lugging it around your yard or workshop. Weighing in at just a few pounds, it's perfect for those long days of work without causing strain or fatigue. Now let's talk about one of its coolest features: compatibility with Makita 18V batteries. This means you can seamlessly integrate it into your existing toolset without any hassle. If you're already in the Makita ecosystem, this means you can use the same batteries for your Anavan chainsaw. No need to worry about buying and storing different types of batteries. No need to invest in extra batteries, just pop one in and you're good to go. This not only saves you money but also reduces the clutter in your workspace. The Anavan chainsaw isn't just about power, it's about precision too. Whether you're making fine cuts for a detailed project or slicing through thicker branches, this chainsaw delivers accuracy every time. With a sharp alloy chain and a digital display to monitor your battery life, you're always in control. The digital display is a game changer, providing real-time updates so you never have to guess how much power you have left. No more guessing when your battery is running low. The display ensures you can plan your work without unexpected interruptions. You get smooth, hassle-free cutting every single time. The chainsaw's design minimizes kickback and vibrations, making it safer and more comfortable to use. And let's face it, nobody likes dealing with the fumes and maintenance of a gas-powered saw. The constant refueling, the noise, the smell, it's all a thing of the past with the Anavan chainsaw. With Anavan, you get all the power without the hassle. It's clean, quiet, and starts with just the push of a button. It's eco-friendly, quiet, and super easy to maintain. No more oil changes or spark plug replacements, just simple, straightforward maintenance. So whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this chainsaw is perfect for you. Its versatility and ease of use make it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Pruning, trimming, or even tackling light forestry tasks, the Anavan 8-inch brushless electric chainsaw does it all. It's your go-to tool for any cutting job, ready to take your woodworking to the next level. The Anavan chainsaw is here to help you achieve professional results with ease. Click the link below to grab yours now and experience the difference for yourself. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your toolkit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY content. Happy cutting!